Dreams are easy to imagine. They live in the quiet moments, in the space between sleep and waking. They cost nothing, demand nothing. They are the comfortable, seductive whisper of what could be, a future painted in perfect strokes without any of the struggle. But the sun rises, and with it, the first choice. This is where the dream meets its first test. This is where discipline is born. It's not a feeling, it's an action. The decision to rise when the warmth of the bed calls you back. Discipline is the system you build to protect your dream from your own worst enemy, your mood. It's hydrating your body. It's planning your day, not by the grand leaps, but by the small, deliberate steps. It's creating a roadmap before the chaos of the day tries to send you off course. Without discipline, even the biggest dreams remain just that, dreams. They are fragile ideas that shatter at the first sign of discomfort, the first drop of rain, the first feeling of, I'll do it tomorrow. Discipline means doing it even when you don't feel like it. It's lacing up your shoes when every muscle aches. It's pushing through the last set when your lungs are burning. It's understanding that the person you want to become is forged in these moments of resistance. There will be setbacks, days where fatigue wins, moments where distraction feels like a welcome escape. This is not failure. It is part of the process. The real test of discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about persistence. It's about getting back on track after a misstep, not tomorrow, but right now. It means showing up for your goals like you show up for work. You don't negotiate with your alarm clock on a Tuesday morning. You don't debate the commute. You just go. Apply that same non-negotiable commitment to the promises you've made to yourself. And you don't have to do it alone. Build a community. Find the people who are on their own journey of discipline. Share your progress. Hold each other accountable. A shared struggle lightens the load and amplifies the victories. Motivation is what starts the journey, a fleeting spark that gets the engine running. But discipline is the fuel that keeps it going, day in and day out, through storms and clear skies. It's the steady, compounding interest of small daily wins. So build the habits. Lay one brick at a time. The run, the study session, the healthy meal, the early night. Each action is a vote for the person you are becoming. Build discipline, not because it's easy, but because it's the only bridge from the dream in your mind to the reality you can hold in your hands. Build it, and your dreams will have no choice but to follow.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.